Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about a type of physics known as classical physics. So let's start. Classical physics refer to the branch of physics that deal with the study of physical phenomena at microscopic scales, typically larger than atomic and subatomic levels. It encompasses the principle and laws of motion, the behavior of matter and energy, and the interaction between them. Classical physics was predominant scientific framework before the advent of quantum mechanics and relativity theory. Key concepts in classical physics. Number 1. Newtonian mechanics. The foundation of classical physics is Newtonian mechanics, formulated by Sir Isaac Newton in the late 17th century. Newton's law of motion described the behavior of objects in response to forces. The three laws are: number 1, Newton's first law. An object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion with the same velocity unless acted upon by an external force. Second, Newton's second law. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force applied to it and inversely proportional to its mass. Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Number 2, thermodynamics. Thermodynamics deal with the study of heat, energy, and their transformation. It includes concepts such as temperature, entropy, and the laws of thermodynamics. The laws of thermodynamics govern the energy conservation, heat transfer, and the efficiency of energy conversion. Electromagnetism describes the interaction between electrically charged particle and the magnetic field. It is governed by Maxwell equations formulated by James Clerk Maxwell in 19th century. These equations unify electricity and magnetism and predict the behavior of electromagnetic waves, including light. Number 4, optics. Optics is a study of behavior and properties of light. It explores phenomena such as refraction, rarefaction, diffraction, interference, and polarization. Classical optics relies on the wave theory of light, which treat light as an electromagnetic wave. Number 5, acoustics. Acoustics deal with the study of sound and its behavior. It covers topics like propagation and sound waves, resonance, and the perception of sound. Classical acoustic is based on the wave nature of sound. Number 6, classical mechanics in celestial bodies. Classical physics has also played a significant role in understanding the motion of celestial bodies. The laws of gravitation formulated by Newton allowed astronomers to describe the motion of planets, moons, and other celestial objects. Limitation of classical physics. While classical physics provides accurate description of microscopic phenomena in many situations, it has its limitation. Number 1, quantum mechanics. Classical physics fails to explain phenomena at the atomic and subatomic levels. Quantum mechanics developed in the early 20th century provide a more comprehensive framework for understanding the behavior of particles at these scales. Number 2, relativity theory. Classical physics does not account for the effects of high speed and strong gravitational field. Einstein's theory of relativity, including special relativity and general relativity, provide a more accurate description of the behavior of the object under such conditions. In summary, classical physics form the basis of understanding the behavior of everyday objects and natural phenomena at microscopic scales. It encompasses Newtonian mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics, and acoustics. While highly successful in its domain, it falls short in explaining the behavior of particles at the atomic level and the effects of high speed and strong gravitational field. which required the framework for quantum mechanics and relativity theory. Hope you enjoyed it. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Take care.